Welcome to Franchise Republic. In this video, we are going to feature Santinos Supreme Slice Pizza franchise business ideas. The Philippines' largest pizza cart brand with over 500 outlets and growing fast. Launched in October 2012, Santinos Supreme Slice Pizza is the country's most franchise pizza cart kiosk and delighting more and more pizza lovers across the archipelago. Santinos Supreme Slice is now available for franchise, so go and get your own pizzeria at an affordable price. The brand Santinos Supreme Slice Pizza pushes you live life supreme with every moment you make and effort you take with only Supreme. You deserve nothing less than Supreme. Their brand has since become very popular among pizza lovers and their outlets have been growing rapidly. It has now become a dominant force in the pizza industry. Santinos Pizza Flavors. Santinos Supreme Slice Pizza is freshly made every day. They offer the following flavors: Hawaiian Madness, Chicken Hawaiian, Spicy Tuna Tropical, Pepperoni Sorpresa, Barbecue Beef and Mushroom, and Bacon Sausage Bonanza. Santinos Supreme Slice continues to serve an all-supreme Italian slice pizza, a slice option that made from only the best quality ingredients served almost instantly at a very affordable price of just 38 pesos per slice. Their target market: consumer with fast-paced lifestyle, professionals, students, and families. Their target location: Santinos Supreme Slice Pizza are perfectly located in malls, supermarkets, terminals, stand-alone locations, and train stations. For the space requirement, the minimum space required is at least 4 square meters or 2 meters by 2 meters with enough space for working and other small equipment. For the average cost of goods sold, the COGS on average is 60% with the remaining 40% is the gross margin. The net income will vary depending on your operational expenses. The turnaround time from application to store opening. Upon verification of complete payment for the full dealership package, timetable for outlet opening is 30 to 45 days on average. For the Supreme Dealership Package, it includes dealership fee worth 350,000 pesos, security deposit of 50,000 pesos, and monthly support fee worth 5,000 pesos. The average return of investment. Their national average for return of investment is from 12 to 15 months with earliest earnback time of 1.5 months. For the application requirements, you may submit the following requirements. Number 1, accomplished application form. Number 2, formal letter of intent. Number 3, 2 valid IDs. It's either SSS, Voter's ID, Postal, Passport, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, or UMID. Number 4, accomplished feasibility study form. Number 5, lease offer or contract from the lessor if renting. For the application process, it's easy to become a Supreme dealer. Follow the following steps. Step number 1, submit the required requirements. Step number 2, attend the business orientation. Step number 3, site inspection and approval. Step number 4, help with the market study. Step number 5, awarding and settlement dealership package. Step number 6, onboarding and preparation for store opening. Step number 7, contract signing. Step number 8, store opening. Your submission will be acknowledged via email by their team within 1 to 3 days, and the approval process may take a minimum of 2 weeks up to 1 month. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Will I get assistance in seeking and evaluation a winning location? Answer. They will be with you in every step of the way. If you have a target location, they will help assess and ensure the proposed site for final approval. Question number 2. Can I place carts in schools? What are the requirements? Answer. Yes. However, the location is still subject for market study and assessment. List of requirements can be found and downloaded. Question number 3. What are the modes of payment for the dealership packages? Answer. The mode of payment is through dated check. For your convenience, you may directly deposit your payment via bank deposit or transfer upon receipt of billing statement. Question number 4. How do I renew my contract? Answer. Their dealership program is good for 10 years and the initial contract is 2 years. So, there will be 4 renewal periods to complete the 10-year dealership program. The dealer has to send a notice of renewal or notice of non-renewal at least 30 days prior to the 2-year contract expiry. For the contact details, you may contact Gemini Foods Group with the address 2nd floor FRS Building, number 497 Barangay Manresa, Del Monte Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. You may contact them with telephone number 02-8442-9444. And you can also contact their mobile number at 0925-511-9444. You can send them an email at franchise.now@geminifoodsgroup.com or marketing@geminifoodsgroup.com. You can also visit their website at www.geminifoodsgroup.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Santinos Supreme Slice Pizza franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.